Paul's Kitchen is Chef Paul. With me today is Chef Alex.
Hello.
And today we're going to be making some seafood chowder. So I've got about 4 medium small potatoes all sliced up here. Some people like to put this in the end. Why? Because they don't want them to be really soft. I don't want them to be hard either. I've got half of a large white onion, 2 celery stalks, and 2 carrots. The seafood we're going to put in later because it won't take very long for that to cook, but we're going to simmer these down before we do anything else. Surprise, surprise, I'm going to use pepper, but I'm not going to use much of anything else. Why? Because I don't really feel like you need it. When you have the right ingredients, you don't need to spice everything crazy. I don't want you to taste the spice, I want you to taste the ingredients. So we got some clams and we got 2 seafood chowder mixes. I'm going to tell you, it's going to taste really good. So we are going to fry up some bacon, but again, those get put in the end with the cream. We're going to use heavy whipping cream. And I've got 2 cans of corn or cream corn. And this is going to be one hell of a mess for you. I'll tell you. So you're going to like that.
Especially working a 12-hour shift tonight.
You know what? Bringing chowder home with her,
Yeah.
it's going to be worth it. So I'm just going to take a second, just do some little mix in here. Now I'm going to put a little bit of mirin. Why?
And what's mirin?
Mirin is
Or mirin?
a cooking sweet rice wine. Some people like using white wine, but yeah, sue me. And then I'm going to use a bottle of clam juice. You can't really get seafood broth here, so you have to do what you have to do. So just give it a little bit of flavoring on that. We're going to use that. I'm going to use 1 container of chicken broth. This is low sodium. Doesn't mean there's no sodium, it means it's lower sodium. So don't...
Yeah, you gotta watch that because when it says low sodium, that can be a trap. It doesn't mean it doesn't have no sodium. It just means that it's lower in sodium.
Lower sodium. So you do have to watch that. It's very serious. Because you still have to watch it, because, I mean, what's this here? I don't think it's that bad, actually. 27%, but that's 30% less. So, when you're mixing it with everything else, it's not as bad, because the sodium will get mixed around a little bit, so it's not going to make this extremely salty. But you still really want to watch what you're doing. So, I'm going to ask you guys, hit that like, share, subscribe button. It really means a lot to us that you take the moment and hit those buttons for us. Drop a comment. Like, we really, really appreciate it. It might help somebody else out. So I'm going to set this on low. We're going to try, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. But when there's like an hour left, we're gonna have the bacon already cut up and cooked. We're going to put the seafood in and the cream in. So we're not done yet, but the base of it, we're going to have that cooked right now for about 4 hours on low, and then we'll put up high a little bit later, all right? So about 3-4 hours time, we'll be back. So we'll be back. Welcome back. So before we begin, let's hit the like, share, subscribe button. I've got half a bag of bacon. I don't want to go too crazy. I already sliced it open. I've cut it up really thinly, and we're going to cook this. So I'm going to leave that be for a second because it doesn't need to be babysat too much because the heat is just going. So back over to the chowder. I'm going to add a couple spoonfuls of flour. Could have done this earlier. I didn't want to. Sue me. technically probably should do this first, but I wasn't really sure if I wanted to, and I didn't. I changed my mind. It happens. You can change your minds. So we're just going to take a second and stir that in really, really good because nobody wants to eat clumpy flour. This might help thicken it out a little bit. If it does, it might be too late, and this is what it is. Bacon is a nice little thing for it, but you don't have to have it. If you're somebody that's really worrying about your health, skip it. It's a lot of fat, and it's not something that Amy and I, or even Alex, eats a whole lot. And Alex doesn't have the same health issues we do. You know what I mean? So that is a 473 milliliter of whipping cream, or what some Americans call half and half. So I'm going to put some mussels in here. Get off my table. This is for Amy and I, not for kitty cats. That's Chef Alejandro. He's pretty interested right now because he wants some fish. And I've got 2 packs of seafood, and I wasn't expecting that to happen. And that's just a mixture, right? So, I mean, Alejandro, get off that table right now. And again, Alejandro! He's just a kitten, guys. He doesn't look like it. He looks like he's full grown, but believe me, he's super small. Now, to anybody out there, I'm going to tell you, if you're making bacon, do not crisp it. You absolutely do not want it crisp because that is the worst thing you can ever do. Crisping it is like a carcinogenic. It's not good. It's burned bacon and it is not good for you. So do not burn your bacon. Don't crisp it. Leave it nice and soft. It'll taste so much better anyways. Now, here's going to be the controversial part. Some people say, well, why don't you just get real crab meat? Because real crab meat's expensive. Why bother? Imitation is good enough for me. It still tastes good. It has the flavor to it. Is it 100%? No, it is not. And I have no shame in this. I like this for some sandwiches.
Real crab meat's extremely expensive.
It is. And not always easy to get. It's getting nice and cold now. I mean, like, if you really want to get some, go ahead. But I'm just telling you right now that it's crazy and it's not necessarily always the best option out there. Give this a really good stir. I'm going to leave this open for a minute because we're going to get we're going to put the bacon in. Now, if you have to go first thing in the morning and you have to go to work and you don't want to have to sit and do this way, you don't have to. You can put everything in all at once and it won't make that much of a difference. This is the way I prefer to do it, but you don't have to. You can just put everything all at once, go to work, cook it low and slow. By the time you get home from work, it'll be beautiful. Bacon is fatty, and it is a little salty, but as Canadian, and Alex will back me up on this, he'll tell you bacon is important to us.
Yeah, it is.
This is a good Newfoundland recipe, I'll tell you. It's something we really like, and that's good enough for me here. Like I said, I don't want this crispy, I just want this cooked. Anybody that tells you that bacon is real Canadian bacon is round, it is not. It is some strips. Anybody tell you the best way to serve bacon is with it crispy is wrong. It is not.
I never really liked crispy bacon.
It does taste good, but it's just burnt meat. It's not the best for you.
No.
When it's soft and it's cooked, but it's still soft. That's where it's the best. If you go too far and you start getting it crispy and burned, that's too far.
It's got to be right in the middle.
Yeah. All right, so Alex and I are going out for a little bit, and that's perfectly fine. So we're just going to leave this cook. By the time we get back, we'll be ready to get some seafood chowder. What do you think, Alex?
I think this is going to be really good.
Me too. So we'll be back. Welcome back. So before we go further, let's hit that like, share, subscribe button. Please, we appreciate it. If you don't, Amy's going to beat me up. I'm joking. She's not. Really, she isn't. Alright, so this is done. How's this look, Alex?
That looks really good.
Really rich and creamy. So I'm just going to give this... It's on warm right now because Amy's still in bed sleeping. God forbid that she actually has to sleep all day. She's going to pull on Alex.
Well, not today.
No, I'm just kidding because she's actually... she just worked a great shift.
I was over here really early today.
Yeah, so I mean, this is wacky Friday. So how's this look?
That looks delicious.
It does. This is going to be rich, creamy, and I'm telling you, it's going to taste amazing. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. All our recipes are on www.poulskitchen.com. Recipes, our books, everything else. And drop a comment, and hey, we hope you enjoy. If you try this, let me know. Have a great day.